And after some rain across the area this morning, this afternoon is looking pretty good now. We still could see a few spotty showers. Feels a little bit more like summer than fall, but fall does begin today officially at 5:18 this afternoon. So the beginning of fall tomorrow will be the first full day of the fall season. And this summer-like weather does look like it's going to hold on until we get to the end of the week. Transition period over the weekend, and then next week we should start to feel more seasonable. Right now, Live Doppler 2X is showing dry conditions over our area. No rain around currently, but again, we'll have to watch this afternoon as we continue to get the daytime heating. We could see some showers, some thunderstorms develop. Here's what's going on. Our upper level flow. Here's the Dayton area. We have a big area of low pressure basically cut off from the main flow off to the west, and it hasn't moved much over the past couple of days. It's not expected to move much, so the low located right in here, we've got the counterclockwise spin around that low cut off. The main flow is off to our north, so we are in this warm and humid air mass here in the Dayton area. Things are going to continue to be above normal. The humidity's high. It feels more like summer. Once this low comes through over the weekend, we will get into some cooler air, but until that happens, we are going to be dealing with, again, temperatures well above normal. And putting this in motion over the next 2 days or so doesn't move much at all. Can't see much change here in the upper level flow, so we're going to stick with this pattern at least through the end of the week. On our satellite radar imagery, you can see a little bit of cloud cover around the region. We have had some breaks in those clouds, so we are seeing some sunshine, which is helping to warm us. We do have a stationary front off to the west. It's not going to move too much either over the next couple of days. And we see down to the south, that's where they've had that very heavy rain. We've been talking about the southeast states getting a lot of flooding there, and that's what we're going to continue to see today, some showers in that area. This is some video in from parts of Georgia. About 20 inches of rain have fallen there since Friday. Yesterday, in fact, we had a report of 14.02 inches at Stone Mountain in Georgia. So some very heavy rainfall. Boats are the best means of transportation there, and rescue crews have spent much of the day saving stranded people. At least 8 lives have been lost to the high water there. We do have some flooding watches and warnings in effect for those states down there that have been experiencing the very heavy rain. But for us, and not really a flooding problem here, but we do have the potential to see some heavier rainfall with any thunderstorm that develops today. 76 was yesterday's high. The normal is 74, so pretty close to that number with the clouds around. Today, I think we're going to be a bit warmer than that. Yesterday's rainfall, 11/100ths in the rain gauge, still about a ½ inch below normal for the month. Currently have 76 with some sunshine, a south wind helping to keep that humidity high with our dew point at 67. 79 up towards Bell Fountain, Dayton 77, Kettering 75 on our WeatherBug network. Here's Future Track showing really no change in our weather over the next 24 to 48 hours. That front stays just off to the west. We stay warm and humid with the potential for seeing these scattered showers and thunderstorms really at any time today, tomorrow, and again on Thursday. And then we should see this front come through on Thursday, a bit of a break Friday, but more rain as the main storm comes through Saturday. 80 today, humid, a mix of sun and clouds with still a 40% chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Overnight we'll drop back down to 64, and then tomorrow afternoon, a lot like today, low 80s, humid with the potential for that rain. Get a bit of a break Friday as we get in a dry slot, but Saturday the main storm will come through. That'll bring in the cooler air, finally feeling more like fall. Marcia?